Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Here I would briefly explore this 15 centimeter, that is 6-inch metal ruler or metal scale in 3D. This is made of stainless steel material. A glimpse of manufacturing processes involved for this metal ruler: steel strip cutting, deburring, straightening, polishing, etching, polyethylene mixing. Overall dimensions in mm for manufacturing: length 167 to 170, width 21, and material of construction is stainless steel 0.5 mm thick, and on the front centimeters and inches markings using etching, conversion table on the back using etching. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real picture. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. To begin with, the first and full sketch for the metal ruler: a center rectangle of 167 mm by 21 mm. Sketch solidified to 0.5 mm thick steel strip with upward extrusion. Next, an arc sketched on the right end. Next, made the right end arc cut with up to surface end condition. Next, sketched and drilled a hole of dia 7 at the right end of the ruler. Sketched the first set of 10 rectangles with 1 mm spacing for to cover first 1 cm on the top. Then sketch patterned the first set to 15 numbers with 10 mm spacing for 15 cm markings on the top. By using split face tool, did the full 15 cm markings on the top without removing or adding any material. Then using etching, applied black color to all 15 cm markings. Sketched first set of rectangles to cover first 1 inch on the bottom. Then sketch patterned it to 6 numbers with 1 inch spacing for 6 inch markings on the bottom. Then using split face tool, did the full 6 inch markings on the bottom. Then by etching process, applied black color to all 6 inch markings. Next, using sketch text, placed numerals for centimeters and inches readings on the top face. Additionally, placed stainless steel and 3dfullydesign.com text by choosing proper font. Then face splitted and etched all numerals and text on top face of the metal scale. And finally, the completed 3D metal ruler. And finally, the mass calculated of the stainless steel metal scale is 13.5 grams. These are my 3D certifications, and I am a regular 3D CAD systems user from the year 2008. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.